ma'am. Sure.
Ma'am, you can send it to everyone. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes,
I've
ma'am.
You
started
can
recording, ma'am.
share it with everyone.
That will be
I've
nice.
started recording, ma'am. Okay. So I was just telling that this is the one way we can do it. We can go to assignment, right? And I'm going back again since we are recording. So I'm going to create quiz assignment.
Who is that?
This method we use, ma'am, when we have a particular class, when we are doing with only one class or maybe few sections, we want them all together, right? So I can click on this. There are few people waiting. Okay, let them all join. Okay, ma'am. So this is the way the blank quiz will come to you. Fine.
Okay.
And you can enter any question. Let's say A, B, C. Okay. Whatever question is this. And then we can be ready with the options, ma'am. Let's say I can be giving option A1 and I can be adding more options just by clicking on them, ma'am. A3.
Okay.
Fine. So I can have multiple options. Ma'am, there are so many types of questions I can post here. The easiest
Okay,
one
ma'am.
to start with is multiple choice. Though I have many types, I have short answer types, I have paragraph types, right? I have checkboxes where I can have multiple answers. Okay, I can also allow them choosing from the drop down. So there is a box which will open, there will be multiple answers. It will take less screen space. Fine. So we can have so many types. We let ma'am multiple choice. Fine. Okay, ma'am. Because it's a quiz, so I have this answer key and I'm on design mode. Fine. So I'll be moving on this answer key. Is that fine? So let's go to answer key, and now I know that my correct answer is, let's say, A2. Is that fine? And I want to keep 1 point for this. You can increase and decrease the points, ma'am, from here. Okay, and then say, is it fine? And next, I want that children should attempt compulsorily. So there's a required button. Can you see here? You can slide to make it required.
Slide the required.
Yeah, fine. And ma'am, there is a panel here on the right hand side. You can be clicking on this plus to add more questions. Is it fine? Now, let's say my question is XYZ and I can be adding more options. Let's say B1 and B2 and maybe B3. I can have more options as I just told you. Just click on.
Ma'am, just one question. Sorry to interrupt. This I can do prior going to the class, just when I'm designing.
Yes, ma'am. This is design mode. This is our homework. We have to do it.
Homework. This is homework.
Yeah. This is for us. We have to design it first, and then once the design is over, I'll take these two questions, ma'am. I'll go to answer key. I'll choose this one. Okay. One thing more I want to tell here. One thing more I want to tell here, there is, when we do this settings, there is an option when you go to these three buttons that shuffle the option order. So in case the children are there on WhatsApp or maybe this thing, so little cheating can be avoided. They might say that question 2 ka third answer hai, right? So if I shuffle the option order, so when it goes to child, the option won't be in the same order. It will change. Is it fine, ma'am? And I can make it required to compulsory to be attempted. Here also I can do the same shuffle option order. Is it fine, ma'am? So let's have
this is for different
ma'am, to shuffle these options. Option the answers. Fine. Okay. So let me.
Supposing there are more than one answer, more than one option in a particular question, then only we need shuffling.
So you can be selecting these two.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. 2 people have entered. Okay, more people have entered. Fine, ma'am.
Ma'am, what about today's attendance? We haven't clicked.
Ma'am, the attendance form is on the coordination group. Anyways, you are doing it on the maybe desktop. So anytime you can be going to that and making your attendance there.
Okay.
Fine. Okay. So these are the 2 questions. I won't lag it further. Let me check from these 2 questions only. Now there's a settings button. Can we see it from here? If you want to collect email address of children, You want that a child, whatever email address he's attempting from, you want to know that, so you can be clicking on this, and then you want the child to just attempt it once, right? And also, ma'am, if you want to respondent or the child to edit it after submit, you can click on this. Otherwise, just leave it. Presentation, you want to show the progress bar, you want to shuffle the question order. Again, ma'am, the previous thing when we did is shuffling the options, right? This will shuffle the question order also. So this is good for giving a quiz. And then quizzes. Now, this is important, ma'am. Since this is a self-check test, you would want to release the grades. You want the children to know what is the result. So one way is that we can immediately do it after the submission, or you want to review it manually once and then want to release it on your wish. Fine. So you can be clicking on this. And respondents, you want respondents to see the missed questions. They might have some missed questions, some incorrect ones, so you want them to see correct answers and the points they have received, the values of those points, right? So I can be changing the settings as per my requirement, and I can press save button, right? So once it is done, now how to make it available here, it is already done. And when you see it shows all the changes are saved in the drive. That's fine. Now I can close this since it is saved. If you want to give it some name, you may go again. You want to edit, you may edit. Fine. I want to give it a name. Let's say this is my quiz 1. Okay. And here also the title I want to give, let's say text. Is it fine? So I can be giving here, now this is all saved, ma'am. Pardon? Okay, this is Piyu. Please mute yourself. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm closing this, ma'am. Now I can give a title. I can give some instructions if I want. And ma'am, the most important thing is you can schedule it. Since right now you can be scheduling it, and once you schedule it, ma'am, it is maybe it would be available to the students when you want. Now when you want, you are in class and then you want children to attempt it before you want to give 10 minutes or so. So right now I'm discarding it, ma'am, but I will take you, since the form is made, you can click on again the form, and initially when you want, okay, you go to responses and there is a responses button. You can slide it. Right now, no child will be able to see the form until and unless you go at the back end and you start this. And then you say, children, you have just got a form, you have just got an assignment, and I will exactly give you 10 minutes to solve this. Kindly attempt that. And after 10 minutes, ma'am, you see your watch and you have to, before that, you have to slide it like this. And after 10 minutes, you can just slide it off. So that child is able to perform, and those who are not able to do, Fozia ma'am, I'll come to you. The children who are not able to do, if you want to give them leverage of 1 or 2 minutes, you can again slide it back and ask children, okay, submit it. I mean, this is your wish. This is completely in your hands, right? Okay. Once it is done, ma'am, it will be available to you. Now, if I give you this form and I send it on coordination group, I can also get responses, and I can also tell you how you get the, how a child will see the response. Do you want me to do that?
You can.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so I am sending you this form. This is the way we can send it without Google Classroom. Okay, I am copying this path from here, and probably I'm sending it to your mail since I have not opened. So I'm sending you over your mails. Kindly check and attempt this so that I have that many responses. I'm giving the name as test form. Okay. So please submit the responses so that I can see you at the back end how it performs. Since I'll not send it to classroom. Right now, I have started the time. I'll just give you 3 minutes. It is 1:45, just 3 minutes. You have to go to your mailbox. Okay, I have received.
Mailbox.
Yeah, I have received one. And that is Sheetal ma'ams. Sheetal ma'ams I have received. I have received 5 now. Yeah. Trapti, Shalu ma'am, Neha, Shalini Sachdeva, and Mr. Das.
I'm not able to go to mailbox from here. How to go? Should I open?
Ma'am, just go to your home. Are you on mobile?
No, I am on desktop.
Okay, so ma'am, open your mail.
Should I minimize it?
Click on the window key from the, press the window key from the keyboard.
I'm doing it, it's not open. Window.
Okay, ma'am, leave it. The basic task was to show you how it is there. See, at the back, when you are in design mode, all of you can come back. We have got 16 responses, enough for explanation. Okay, 18 now. Okay, let's come back. 20, we have got responses. So see, when we go to responses tab, how to find, have we to go to classroom always? No. Whatever you have designed, you will always find it in your drive. You go to drive, go to the drive, and you see there is the form there, test form. This is what I created just now. I sent it across. And now when you double click this, you will find it. Since you are the designer, you are the owner, so you will have both the tabs, questions and responses. Now, if I stop the responses at the back, you won't be able to submit the responses. If you want to try, those who are trying to do it, kindly do and let me know. Are you able to see the responses now?
No, it is now showing the quiz. One is no longer accepting responses.
Yes, this is the way, ma'am. After 3 minutes, you can close this. I mean, I have closed this. You can be giving as required time. The number depends on the number of questions and complexity of the questions. Fine. So I've received 23 responses for now. Okay.
Ma'am, I have to close it manually.
Yeah, pardon?
After 3 minutes?
Yeah. After.
Ma'am, I have to close it manually.
Yes, sir. You would have to close it manually. Sir, this is the basic purpose of the quiz is it is time bound, because if you are giving for practice, that's fine. You can just keep it open and allow students to whenever they want. Fine. But when you are doing it for a test purpose, so kindly make it time bound, and the time should be right. Okay, so
yes,
I was
thank
telling
you,
you that once you obtain the responses now, because I checked out that I want to manually go through the responses and then I will release the scores. So I have, there's a button for releasing the scores. So I can release the scores by clicking from here. You wanted to release it to all the candidates, those who have attempted. So if I say send mails and release, now you see, you can check your mails, you will get the responses. I will request one of you, whomsoever, can share your screen, that what kind of response you get, so that everybody is available. See how it is available to children. Can somebody share? Somebody sitting on desktop can open the mail and show it to us.
Actually, I'm attending the meeting on phone and I'm working on desktop also.
So screen sharing is blocked by you.
No, that's fine, sir. I was just asking a question. I'll stop sharing and allow you.
Ma'am, I'll share. Please allow.
Okay, Shalini ma'am, fine. So I'm stop sharing and I will allow you share. Okay, I have allowed ma'am. Now you can please share and tell us. Fazia ma'am and Seema Rana ma'am, just a minute. Okay.
This is the screen.
Okay, so see, ma'am, kindly click on the view. Kindly click on view. Yes. So this is the auto response system that you have been told that your first answer was wrong, and the correct answer is this B1. Okay, you press B3, but it is B1, and your one answer is right. It was A2. So this is the result sheet you get.
Pooja ma'am, I have not received any other mail.
Pardon?
I have not received any mail for my responses.
Ma'am, I have mailed it before you. Maybe you'll receive it in a while.